watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring charming fall vignettes in a cozy cottage style. If you're looking for simple yet beautiful ways to bring the warmth of autumn into your home, these ideas are perfect for you. From rustic trays to vintage accents, we'll share easy ways to style small spaces that add a welcoming fall touch to any room. Rustic tray with pumpkins. Start by using a wooden tray as the base for your vignette. Add mini pumpkins, dried leaves, and a small candle. This simple display is perfect for a coffee table or sideboard. Vintage books and candles. Stack a few vintage books on your mantle or shelf and place a couple of candles on top. This creates a cozy, layered look with warmth and character. Plaid throws over a basket. Drape a plaid throw over a wicker basket filled with dried flowers or pine cones. This adds a cozy cottage feel while giving the space some texture. Wicker baskets with cozy pillows. Place a wicker basket next to your couch filled with warm-toned pillows. Choose shades like burnt orange and mustard for a soft, autumnal look. Dried wheat and glass bottles. Use dried wheat stalks and vintage glass bottles for an elegant and natural fall vignette. Place them on a console table or fireplace mantle. Antique lantern and dried leaves. An antique lantern filled with dried leaves or pine cones adds a touch of rustic charm to any space. It's great for entryways or on top of your coffee table. Layered wooden cutting boards. In the kitchen, lean a couple of wooden cutting boards against the wall and add a small pumpkin and candle in front. This simple display works beautifully in a cottage kitchen. Copper pots with dried hydrangeas. Place dried hydrangeas in a copper pot for a vintage look. This can be styled on a dining table, buffet, or side table for an elegant autumn touch. Plaid table runner with pumpkins. For a dining table vignette, use a plaid table runner as your base. Add a row of mini pumpkins and candles for a simple, festive centerpiece. Vintage frames and fall quotes. Display vintage picture frames with autumn-inspired quotes or illustrations. This can be hung on the wall or placed on a shelf to bring in a nostalgic, cozy feel. Wooden tray with mugs and cinnamon sticks. On your coffee table, style a wooden tray with a couple of mugs, cinnamon sticks, and a small vase of dried flowers. This is perfect for a cozy fall morning setup. Burlap wrapped mason jars with candles. Wrap mason jars in burlap and place small candles inside. Arrange them on a shelf or coffee table for a soft, rustic glow. Fall garland with dried oranges. Create a fall garland using dried oranges, pine cones, and twine. Drape this across your mantle or along a window to bring a bit of seasonal color. Vintage suitcase display. If you have a vintage suitcase, prop it open and style it with fall-themed items like plaid throws, pumpkins, or old books. This creates a fun and unique vignette for any corner of your home. Cottage bench with pumpkins and plaid pillows. If you have a small bench in your entryway or living room, style it with plaid pillows and a few pumpkins for an inviting fall-inspired look. And there you have it, charming and easy fall vignette decorating ideas to bring the warmth of autumn into your cottage-style home. These small displays are a great way to refresh your space and make it feel cozy and inviting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration.